Okay, so this is the first vlog I've done with the new camera. It's the GoPro Mission 1 camera, and of course I'm holding it with my arm. Don't have it on any selfie stick or anything like that. I do have it in its. They've got this point and shoot grip that was bundled with the camera. Trying it out. Obviously the reviews and the specs and everything that they've said about this camera have been very complimentary in terms of the advancement from prior GoPros, and really how it compares with DJI's and also Insta360's cameras. Here's the reason why I bought it. I wanted something, a point and shoot vlogging action type of camera that I could easily use, just pick up and go, that also had better low light performance. And I've got a GoPro Hero 10, and daylight, great pictures, great video, the images look great. In low light, they just fall apart. I bought last year an Insta360 X5. Very cool camera. You can do some really neat things with it. It's a great deal. The problem is sometimes with 360 video, the overhead of editing that video is just a little bit more than what I want to do. Sometimes I just want to record something really quickly and maybe do some light editing and either share it with someone, put it on social media, YouTube or something like that, and just get something out there. And the workflow on my other cameras is a little bit more. I've got Sony cameras. I've got a A7 IV and A7 III. I mean, you cannot compare the video with those, with these devices versus those. I mean, I won't go into the exhaustive amount, but the image quality is great. But sometimes you just need something that's rugged, lightweight, and something you can just basically point and shoot and just go. And so that's the reason why I bought it. Now, I'm going to tell you, the grip that came with it, this point and shoot grip, so far it looks a little clunky. May not know exactly how to figure it out, but I mean, literally got this late yesterday, charged it up overnight, and started. This is the first real video. I mean, I've shot a couple of photos and a couple of little things, so just trying it out. So we'll see how it goes. My intent is to create a little bit more content, and I hate to say content, a few more stories. That's what I'm going to start using. A few more stories, and I don't know that I want to get too much into gear reviews, because I think sometimes that just becomes, you see all these different gear review videos, and while they're helpful, there's a lot of redundancy in there, and I don't know that they provide how much value they really prefer. But for me, I mean, I have, for the last 30 plus years, I have documented my life, but primarily my kids' lives, by different camcorders, cameras, different form factors of devices. And today, even as we speak, I've got all this video, I've had it digitized, I'm able to go back and look at it, and I've got it I won't say I'm totally final state, but I've got it to where I can access that video very easily in a variety of different formats. And I've got all this video that I've taken over the years, and all these stills that I've taken over the years on my NAS that I basically can access from my phone or other devices pretty much anywhere that I'm at. And that's that's kind of neat, because I'm kind of a softie, particularly when it comes to my kids, and I like this. So this is the next iteration of format or camera that I'm trying to use. Like I said, GoPro it's had its challenges. It's been much maligned over the last years compared to how the competitors have come in and kind of taken over the space. Also, people's phones have become so ubiquitous, and the quality of those. So we've got a lot of different tools at our disposal. However, I still like to use a different device other than my phone. And I hope YouTube or GoPro continues to survive and thrive. And I hope this new device is a kind of a new chapter in GoPro's deal. But so far, so good. We'll see how this looks. Like I said, as I'm driving in the car, just basically hand-holding this on the steering wheel, and we'll see how the sound and all of this stuff sounds, but and how the video is. But we'll see. So if you like this, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think of the video. And stick around. I may have some more stories to tell. I'm struggling to figure out exactly what the stories that I'm going to tell are going to be. And I've flipped around with some trying to be funny. I don't know that I've been that successful with that, but I want to be real however we do it. Again, this is anyway, we're shooting this on I think Saturday, May the 30th, 2026, on the brand new, just got in my hands, but the GoPro Mission 1 Pro camera. GoPro did not send me this. I paid for this one out of my own pocket, and like I said, just got it. I pre-ordered it, or ordered it just before the release date, so it actually kind of came in sometime late yesterday afternoon. So we'll see how this thing holds up. Thanks.